Using the same two functions, I want to demonstrate how to find the difference between two functions. And this time we'll do f minus g of 2. That just means subtract the g function from the f function, then plug in 2. So we'll write our two functions out in parentheses, and you'll notice something starkly different than the last video. This time, since there's a minus sign between the two functions, we cannot just drop the parentheses because there's something special that happens with this minus sign. The minus sign applies to every value or every term behind it in this parenthesis. So essentially we have to distribute the minus sign to each of the terms, and what that does is it changes the sign on each of the terms. The minus sign makes this positive 9 into a negative 9x. The minus sign makes this positive 7 into a negative 7x squared. And the minus sign makes this negative 4 into a positive 4. So the minus sign basically flips every sign behind it. Conversely, in front of the minus sign, nothing changes. And you can see how our parentheses are gone now. Just because after we apply that minus sign, we can get rid of the parentheses. Now we can combine like terms, do our boxes, circles. I like to do clouds as well. The same terms are going to combine. The squared terms are going to combine. This time we have 1 minus 7, which will give us negative 6x squared. We have negative 5 minus 9x, which gives us negative 14x. So these will cancel out. And we have 2 plus 4, which gives us positive 6. So far we've accomplished f minus g. Now we should plug in 2 everywhere there's an x to simplify. So f minus g of 2 would be negative 6 times 2 squared minus 14 times 2 plus 6. Of course, we're going to square the 2 first, so we get negative 6 times 4 minus 14 times 2 plus 6. We end up with negative 24. Negative 6 times 4 is negative 24. Negative 14 times 2 is negative 28. And then plus 6. Negative 24 minus 28 equals negative 52. And negative 52 plus 6 equals negative 46. So f of f minus g of 2 equals negative 46.